Hello guys, welcome to another video of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I'm going to be changing a single glass window. Okay, these windows are easy to replace. They're easier than the other ones because it's only one glass. This used to have plastic to hold the window, just like this one. It has a plastic holding thing. This one had already been broken and changed it. I can tell because of the putty that is there. So the first thing to do, obviously, is just to remove the glass. You need some goggles, pretty good goggles, because you can cut yourself, try to get everything and all the pieces all the way around. All right. All right. And then we're gonna bring a spatula or a putty knife and clean all the way around and make sure it's very clean. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do next is that I'm just gonna get all the window glaze off. I'm just gonna get it very clean. We don't want that excess for a uniform set. Okay. All the way around. All right. So let's get it very clean. Come back to you. All right, guys. So once we have clean with the spatula, we're gonna proceed and use the vacuum cleaner to get all what is left in there. I like to vacuum all the way around. I don't want any pieces left. Alright. Okay, so we got it going. Now, before we install the glass, I'm gonna cut a couple of pieces of duct tape and put it aside, and I'll let you know why. Okay guys, so I cut a couple of pieces of duct tape and I'm gonna stick them right there on the side, and I'm gonna leave it. So I went and purchased the window, and this is the way I measure it. All right, let me show you. All right guys, so for the length, the way I measure it is that it gave me 35 inches for the window to be exact. So what I did is I always cut less 1/8. So I got the window of 34 7/8. Always cut a 1/8 on each side, on one side only. So on the length 1/8, and on the width cut 1/8. Not all four sides, but only on the width and length 1/8. So that way you don't face the problem of that it doesn't fit right. Sometimes you run with those chances. Now for the window, I like to buy them on Lowe's. They're pretty cheap, believe it or not. They have a cutting glass center, and this is what I got it, and they go all the way up to 36 by 30 or something like that. That's as big as they go, but big enough for this window. All right, so like on this particular glass window, the original size, it was 24 by 36, and they cut it to the size that I wanted it. Okay, so I'm gonna get the window out of here. They did a pretty good job on But this piece, it was only 18 bucks, man. Can't beat that, man. You go to a glass place and you know how much you're gonna be paying. So Lowe's. All right, guys. All right, guys. For the glazing, I like this type of glazing. It's white, and you're gonna. I like the tip. It's already in shape, so that way you can put it on the angle which the window is gonna be glazed. And yeah, this is the one I like. You need a caulking gun, just a normal one, simple one, and let's get it done. All right, guys, so we're gonna install the window. Very careful. Okay. See that? It fit perfectly. It's perfectly there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a couple of tapes. So I'm doing it by myself, and this is pretty much what you have to do if you're doing it by yourself too. Okay. All right. So that's my extra hands. So pretty much all we have to do is fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps with the glaze. And that's it, guys. Let me bring it over. Okay, so this is how it works. You got the shape there, and I'm just gonna pour it in. It's better if we put it in on the side, so that way you can hold on to it. If you want to fix that up, you don't have the special tool, well, you know how to use. You can use your finger and it'll work perfect. See that? That will be a good seal. All right, let's do the whole 4 sides. All right, I'll come back to you. All right, guys, so I did all 4 sides, and all I gotta do is clean the imperfections. I'm gonna clean it with a towel. Over there on top, I did a little bit of a mess, but I'm gonna clean it up. I can also clean it up with my finger, and then with a towel and fix it up. And when this thing gets dry, it's gonna be as sealed as new. And it's gonna get dry, hard, and it's gonna hold the window and it's gonna seal it. And this is it, guys. This is how I install a single window glass. All right, see you next time. Don't miss my next video because it's gonna be epic.